Here we go. We have a question occurrence of an integer in a list. So you have given a single linked list and a key. We need to count the number of occurrences of the given key in a list. So the key is 1 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 occurrences. So the output is 4. It's a pretty easy question. So let's directly code this. So in this question, I will use for loop. So first we need to find occurrences. So for occurrences, I will use answer. Then initially our data type is node, variable is current. Current is initially pointing to head, while current is not null. While this condition holds, then we need to increment. Current will move to next node. So we inside this we have only one line of code. We just need to check if current dot data is equal to key, then we just need to increment answer, then just return the answer. So it's a simple one line of code. So let's directly submit this, and let's talk about time and space complexity. In this function, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. Thank you all for watching.